Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a clean and undecorate with me. I am going to be putting away all of the Halloween items. You are going to go with me as I go throughout the house and take everything down and box it all up. I am also going to be cleaning the house, so you will see a part of this video later in the evening where I'm actually in my pajamas trying to finish up all the cleaning I started this particular afternoon. So we're going to get started here. Let me know in the comments below, are you guys going to go ahead and decorate for Thanksgiving, or are you going straight into Christmas? Let me know in the comments below. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. So I'm going to start this video off in the front room. I'm going to go ahead and start taking the banner down in the entryway and the decor in this room.
We've been waiting around for too long for something to show. Same old places and faces of people with nowhere to go. But we're not like them, we are better, both you and I know. Grab your car keys and jacket, 'cause honey, we're ready to go. Let's get in the car and you'll drive, we're leaving tonight. Away from these streets and the cold buzzing neon lights. Been keeping our heads above water, struggling and striving. We ain't gonna turn back this time, we'll just keep driving. You've got one hand on money.
When I am taking down my decor, I will put it all in one spot in the house, and I take everything down and put it in this spot, and then I will come back to here and start putting it in the bins to put away in the attic.
I'll never leave your side, I'll never leave your side, I'll never leave your side. The windows are rolled down, the radio's on, and my eyes.
If you're a mom like me, you know you cannot have these bins without your kids playing in them.
Leave your side, I'll never leave your side. We got no money, but honey, we got nothing to hide. If worst comes to worst, I'll be Bonnie and you can be Clyde. We've got 2 hearts ready to fire and enough ammunition. A 62 hardtop DeVille with a 4-speed transmission. You've got one hand on money, one hand on the steering wheel, worlds passing by outside. The flickering light of the white lines in the corner of my eye. I'll never leave your side, I'll never leave your side, I'll never leave your side. The windows are rolled down, the radio's on, and my eyes are open wide. I'll never leave your side, I'll never leave your side. I'll never leave your side, I'll never leave your side, I'll never leave your side. The windows are rolled down, the radio's on, and my eyes are open wide. I'll never leave your side, I'll never leave your side. Oh, I'll never leave your side, I'll never leave your side.
Hey, I've been dreaming about you. Every night I see you clear as day. It's just something about the way you make me feel, 'cause I can't concentrate anytime you're beside me. Yeah, it's what you do. been thinking about you and all the words that I'm gonna say the next time that I see your pretty face.
Tonight felt like a good night to go ahead and clean all of the stainless steel appliances, so that's what I'm going to do now. I am using the Method Steel cleaner, and I really like it. It gets it really nice and clean.
It's what you do to me, making my head spin in circles, and how you move with your body's giving me purpose. So just quit my job, stop wasting time, spending my days with you. It's what you do. It's what you do. I can see you in front of me. All I do is close my eyes, and you're just standing there with your perfect smile. Ooh, all I do is close my eyes. Ooh, it's what you do to me, making my head spin in circles, and how you move with your body's giving me purpose. So just quit my job, stop wasting time, I'm spending my days with you. It's what you do. It's what you do.
Now onto the laundry room. I'm going to clean off the clutter on the washer and dryer and take out the trash and just wipe down everything because it looked like it needed some attention.
It's what you do to me, making my head spin in circles, and how you move with your body's giving me purpose. It's what you do to me, making my head spin in circles, and how you move with your body's giving me purpose. So just quit my job, stop wasting time, I'm spending my days with you. It's what you do. It's what you do. It's what you do. It's what you do. It's what you do.
My two younger kids go to bed at 7:30, and the two older boys get to go to bed at 8:30 and then 9. So the other kids are already in bed, and these kids are just hanging out for a minute.
Hold on, wait for the morning, till the sun comes over the hills. Make your call loud and clear.
Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this clean and undecorate with me. I've got all of the Halloween items put away in these bins. I'm going to put them in the attic in the morning. I do not like going in the attic at night. So actually I'll have my husband do that. I am so thankful for you guys. If you like cleaning videos like these, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. If you guys are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you join me. I do weekly cleaning motivation, DIY and crafts, cooking, and all things motherhood. So I don't want you to miss out on a thing, and I would love to have you join me. I am so thankful for you guys, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye guys.